Dear students of class 12th, let us today learn some basic concepts of a relation. Since we are discussing relational, this database system RDMS, so we are discussing relational model. So we will discuss the terms which are related to a relation. Relation means a simple table. So suppose we are having a table like this, a table. So what is the domain? First of all, let us understand the term domain. Domain क्या होता है? So this is the area of information where from we have to extract the real information which we need in the table. Suppose roll number. This is our domain, and student's personal information means name, residence, etc., Aadhaar card number. This is the domain where from we have to retrieve the information in order to make a relation, in order to make a compact relation. So this is the domain. Now, what is the relation? Relation is this, just like this table of information. जो tabular form में हम information देते हैं, this is called simply this is called a relation. What is the attribute? Attribute means यहाँ पर fields, these columns, roll number, Aadhaar number, name, residence. These columns are called attributes. Then what is the tuple? The tuple, the record, that's the horizontal line. The record of a file is called tuple. Then what is the content key? See here, we need such a key which can uniquely identify a record. Suppose a roll number. If we know the roll number of a student, we can retrieve whole his information. So in order to make such a key as primary key, so first we have to identify which is the key which can identify the whole record, the whole horizontal line uniquely. The single key should see if we put this name as the primary key here. So Adil can be name of many students. So this we cannot set it as a primary key because it is not uniquely identified or recognizing the whole record. So what should be our primary key? Primary key means uh, which uniquely a key which recognize the tuple uniquely. So there are many keys which we can set as primary key. So one is roll number and Aadhaar number. It is also unique. Name is not the unique field. A residence is not the unique. Residence can be same for many students and name can be same for many students, but Aadhaar name cannot be same, and this roll number cannot be same. So roll number and Aadhaar number, these are the two keys which we can say these are the candidate keys. Candidate keys means which are eligible to become the primary key, which we can set as the any one of them we can set as primary key. So then there is primary key. Primary key, as I have already told, primary key is that key which uniquely recognizes the whole record. Then there is alternate key. Suppose in this table we will set this roll number as the primary key. This is again, there are two candidate keys which we can set as primary key. The two keys are candidate keys. Two fields are such fields which uniquely identifies the entire row. They are unique. One Aadhaar number is unique and roll number is unique. Though there are two candidate keys. We can set one as primary key and another as alternate key. So the definition of alternate key you can understand. So suppose there is another file here. We can write roll number. Yeah, roll number हम नेम लिखेंगे name class subject Aadhaar number and marks. सो आप देख सकते हैं इन दो रिलेशन, दिस इज वन रिलेशन, दिस इज सेकंड रिलेशन, इन दो रिलेशन में एक फील्ड कॉमन है, तो दैट इज आधार नंबर. सो वी कैन मेक आधार नंबर एज फॉरेन की, यानी दूसरी टेबल में ये रखने के लिए हम इसको फॉरेन की भी कह सकते हैं. ये की जो है ना, दिस इज फॉरेन की, तो ये इन दो टेबलों को रिलेट कर सकते हैं. तो एक टेबल का कोई भी कॉलम हम दूसरे टेबल में डाल सकते हैं in order to relate those two tables together. So here now you are able to understand what is the domain. Domain means the area of the information where we can collect the information, not the relation. The whole table is called a relation. Then after that there is attribute. The columns are called attributes. Then there is tuple. The rows of the table are called tuple. Then there is candidate key, any key that uniquely identifies or recognizes the whole record. Means the key which is unique. So here roll number and Aadhaar number are unique fields in this file. So we can, these are the candidate keys, and we can set any of these candidate keys as primary key. These both the keys are eligible, so we set here roll number as a primary key. So primary key, a key which recognizes the tuple uniquely. Tuple means record. Then the alternate key means after this primary key we can set another key as the alternate key. And the foreign key means which is a key which is common in both the tables. So this key relates that these two tables are three tables. So this key is called foreign key. So I hope the basic terms you got it, and hope inshallah next section we will discuss another terms. Thank you.